Guys, it's here. It's finally here. My RTX 3060 non-TI showed up. Here it is. Let's open this box up here, see what we got. Looks like my cat's excited too. It's in there over by the rig. All right. This. Yes, we got EVGA 3060 non-TI, 12 gigs of RAM. So here we go. We got the RTX 3060 non-TI from EVGA. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this here and see what it's like. Gotta remove this plastic here. Smells like fresh baked graphics. What's this? Oh, they looks like they plastic wrapped it for us. So we got this cool little ESD protection sticker that supposedly protects graphics cards. More than likely doesn't. It's kind of weird how this is packaged. Not really like a normal graphics card. It kind of feels like something I'd buy off of Alibaba. We got bubble wrap and another layer of black foam. Kind of weird, but it has an EVGA sticker, so I guess it's legit. We'll see here. Looks like it's legit. Now we have the normal ESD wrap with a ESD sticker, and they really packed this thing. Alright. Man, this thing is tiny. So we got look at this thing, this tiny scissors for scale here. iPhone for scale here. It's about slightly bigger, it's a couple inches bigger than an iPhone. So this card is tiny compared to my 3060 Ti's that I have back here on the rig mining. It's probably, let me check here. It's about a good 20% smaller. We're using one pin here. So it might, oh man, again. This is Felix, the mining cat. Let's go, come on. All right, we're back. So as you can see, this thing is tiny, absolutely tiny. It reminds me of like a 750 Ti back in the day. If you were to buy an AIB 750 Ti, so has no packaging on the back, just the back plate. Two fans with a little ease on them, which is typical EVGA recently. But it does look like it's a pretty solid card here. So let's go ahead and remove all this nice plastic that keeps it smelling fresh. Alright. It's the only plastic. We got some here on the fans. But yeah, we'll leave those on there for now. I'll pull them off in a little bit later. But it looks like we have a few copper piping going through, keeping it nice and cool. Let's remove these and I'll give you guys a nice up close of it. We have one HDMI and 3 display ports on this card. One power pin right here. This is the back plate and the rear. No smiley face, it's black. This is the part you insert. So yeah, it's a cool little nifty card. I'll get some benchmarks here and we'll see how it mines, but this thing probably doesn't use too much power for mining, but I think we're gonna have to test it. If it's this small, I mean, it has to be fairly efficient. So this could be a really great mining card if we find a way to unlock it. So keep tuned for that. I'm doing my best to find out how to get this thing hashing. There's some rumors going around that we can unlock it, but from what I've seen so far, we should be able to mine other cryptocurrencies without any problem. It's only Ethereum that they supposedly blocked. So without further ado, let's go.